Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fifth Third mobile app easy access step by step clearly. Begin by locating the Fifth Third mobile app on your device. Tap the app icon to open it. Once the app loads, you will see the login screen. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, type your password into the password field. Make sure to double-check both entries for accuracy. If you want your information to be saved for future logins, select the option for remembering your credentials. Once you have entered your details, tap the Login button. If the information is correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. In case you forget your username or password, tap on the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your information. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version for optimal performance. It's important to keep your login credentials private for security reasons. Once logged in, navigate through your account easily. You can now access features like checking your balance and making transfers. For a smoother experience, consider setting up biometric login if your device supports it. This enables quick access with your fingerprint or facial recognition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.